Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see HTML list tags. So generally in HTML the lists are of three types: ordered list, unordered list and description list. So in this video we are going to see what is unordered list, what is ordered list and what is description list. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. First thing that we are going to learn in this video is unordered list. An unordered list is used to define a set of items. An unordered list starts with UL tag, and in that UL tag we will define our set of items. So I have created a basic code over here. You can see basic HTML code. In the body tag we will try to create our unordered list. So as I have already told, the unordered list starts with UL tag. When I press enter, it will create an UL tag. Now under that UL tag we will try to create our list of items. So the list of items we will create with the help of li tag. So in li tag I will type coffee. When I save this code and when I run my tag.html in Chrome and when I refresh, you can see a list item coffee in a form of unordered list. In the same way you can add more list items over here. In the same way you can add more list items under the unordered list. So I have added two more list items, that is milk and tea. I have saved this code and I will run tag.html, and when I refresh you can see the three items coffee, milk and tea in the form of unordered list. So this is how our unordered list will work. Now we will try to understand what is ordered list and how it's work. In HTML, ordered list is defined with the help of OL tag, and items are defined inside the OL tag, and the tag which is used to define the items is li tag. So now under that UL tag I will create one OL tag, and in that OL tag I will create a list item, that is coffee. When I save this code and when I run tag.html, you can see ordered list and the list item name is coffee. In the same way I have created two more list items, tea and milk, under the ordered list. I will save this code and I will refresh my tag.html, and you can see coffee, tea, milk in the form of ordered list. This is the unordered list and this is the ordered list. So you can see the difference between unordered list and ordered list. In ordered list we generally use the 1 2 3 A B C to represent our list items, and in unordered list we use vice versa. We use dots and we use stars to represent our list item. Now you have seen what is unordered list, what is ordered list. Now we will try to understand what is HTML description list. In HTML description list we will try to define a term and we will try to describe that term. So the description list we will create the description list with the help of DL tag, and under that DL tag we will define our term. The term is defined with the help of DT tag. In DT tag I have typed the term coffee. Now with the help of DT tag we will try to describe our term. So coffee, now we will try to describe what is coffee. So coffee is a black hot drink. So when I save this code and when I run tag.html, so you can see this is our term, that is coffee, and this is our term description, that is black hot drink. In a similar way we can create more terms like milk. So when I save this code and when I run tag.html, you can see milk, and it is a term description is a white cold drink. So in this way you can create unordered list, ordered list and description list in HTML. You can see the difference between unordered list, ordered list and description list in HTML. So in this video I have explained the basic idea regarding HTML list. If you want to learn more regarding HTML list, how to apply CSS and how to make the list more responsive, you can explore the articles over net and you will learn how to create a list more responsive. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn HTML. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you on our next video.